We've never done anything like this before.
Wanted to start traveling places we'd never been to, but we weren't quite sure how to go about it.
We didn't want to do one of those, sit on the bus, get out, stand by the railing, take a picture, get back on the bus, go to the next place. Tours, we preferred to have the physical activity that went with the walking tour. Yeah, and Classic Journeys was very well recommended.
I wondered, is this for us? Is this something that's doable for us? Is this something that is going to be a positive experience? There's something about having your feet on the ground, feeling the ground and the smells and the sights. And that's also when we had our best conversations with our now new friends. I mean, something about walking and talking.
This small format, we were able to go into some towns where you wouldn't take a large group.
We're covering the ground with our feet. I enjoyed that aspect, and I loved seeing how a company from elsewhere can be so important locally in a really positive way. We were very fortunate to have 3 guides that very clearly love where they live and very clearly wanted to share that with us. That's my favorite part.
I think sort of the immersion in the culture.
The makers were passionate about their craft, but I was also impressed at the longevity of the relationships between Classic Journeys and these individuals. These are long-term, meaningful friendships, and the relationship is important to both parties.
You can tell they've known each other for years, and the way they greet each other, the way they spoke to each other, and understands what they're trying to accomplish with the tours they put together.
The hotels on this trip were lovely. We were extremely comfortable, and we were quite active during the days. And so to have a really comfortable place to come back to at the end of the day where you felt well cared for was lovely.
It's a nice mix to the country castle, basically, where we spent a couple nights, and then the Grand Hotel was just amazing.
The meals clearly were prepared by people who were extremely proud, and it was their pleasure to serve it to us and to show us the culinary side of Tuscany.
The food was impeccable. Service was great.
I felt really lucky to be here.
The whole trip was a favorite, and looking forward to going again on another one.